In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Trezor Suite Lite app on Android. By the end, you will have the official Trezor Suite app installed and ready to use on your phone. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You will usually find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. When it opens, you should see the main Play Store page with a search bar at the top and some suggested apps underneath. Now, tap on the search bar at the top and type in Trezor Suite. As you type, suggestions may appear below. Make sure you finish entering the full name, then tap the search button on your keyboard. The Play Store will load a list of matching apps with icons, names, and developer information on each row. From there, look through the search results and select Trezor Suite. The app you want will have the Trezor logo, which is a simple shield-like icon. Tap the app name or icon once and you will open the app detail page with screenshots, rating, and an install button. Before you install, verify that the developer is Trezor. On the app page, look just under the app name for the developer field. It should clearly show Trezor as the developer name. Checking the developer helps you avoid fake apps that try to copy the Trezor brand and can protect your funds. With that confirmed, tap Install. The button is usually green and sits on the right side of the screen. Once you tap it, the button changes to show a progress indicator. Your phone will start downloading the official Trezor Suite app from Google Play. After that, wait for the installation to finish. You will see the progress ring slowly complete and the size of the download may appear below. On a good internet connection, this should only take a few moments. When it is done, the install button changes automatically into an open button, which confirms that the app is now installed on your device. Next up, tap Open. This launches the Trezor Suite app for the first time. You will see the Trezor logo while it loads, then the main welcome or setup screen will appear. An app shortcut will also be added to your home screen or app drawer so you can open it quickly in the future. At this point, follow the setup instructions to connect or manage your Trezor hardware wallet. The app will guide you step by step, for example asking you to choose between creating a new wallet or connecting an existing one. When you connect your hardware wallet, Trezor Suite lets you check balances, send and receive coins, and review transaction history right from your Android phone. So now you have downloaded and opened the official Trezor Suite Lite app on your Android device and are ready to manage your hardware wallet. If this helped you get Trezor running on your phone, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more simple wallet guides.